friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. Today I will show you a beautiful hairstyle for long hair. First of all, comb your hair well and then tie them with a rubber band. Make sure you tie them tightly and make a perfect pony. Once again, comb in loose hair. Now divide your hair in 4 portions. Take one portion and simply roll your hair in upward side. And finally, tuck this hair roll with a hairpin. Spread this roll evenly and tuck the side hair with the help of hairpin. Similarly, take another hair portion and make another hair roll in upward direction. Make sure you tuck these hair rolls perfectly with the hairpins. As you can see how beautiful this hairstyle is turning up. Follow the same procedure with all the 4 portions. Lastly, to give a fancy look to this hairstyle, I am using some pearl hairpins and flower pin in the center of the Juda. See how easily you can style your long hair. Secure this rolled hair portion with a hair clip. Now take some hair again from the front side and keep rolling them and secure them with the pin. Similarly, take some hair again and keep rolling them and secure them with the pin. Repeat the same process to another side. Make sure that you secure the end of the rolling hair with the pin. Comb the open hair and secure the center portion with some more clips in crossing position. See how stylish and pretty this hairstyle is looking. So friends, don't forget to try this stylish hairstyle. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel.